drink your water before you go out in sand dunes. Keep hydrated and spank the monkey regularly.
Holy shit, dude, I'm a piece of pipe. Did it land on you? We need more stretchers! Dude, look at his helmet, dude. It clobbered him. Yeah. He just got the shit knocked out of him.
You're walking up there, knocked out of me.
Give us a thumbs up, bitch.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Good, cool.
So I never get hungover, dude. I'm fucking gonna drink vodka all night. I'll be fine, dude. No worries. So much for that. Oh. A little too much to drink, Troy. Your cock bag.